Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the application of the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. Question number 1. We need to find first the derivative ht. So that should be like this. So we just do about first derivative the square root of t plus number 6, and that should be like this. So first derivative of t, we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Number 2 divided by number 2, we have number 1. Now we need to find the value h of number 10 and first derivative h of number 10. So that should be like this. So I will put number 10 go in here to change for the value of t. So we calculate this one and we have number 8. Now we put number 10 go in here. And we have 1/4. So we have the formula in here. We know that b is greater than number 8. So in this one, they want to estimate about h of 11 and h of number 12, but we cannot allow to calculate h of 11 and h of number 12. So in this one, I will put number 10 gone here, number 10 gone here. Now the next one, because they want to calculate 11 and number 12, so I will put number 11 in here, number 12 in here. So in this one, we know the value h, and first derivative h of number 10, that is about 1/4. This one, that is about number 8. Now we can find h of 11. So 11 minus number 10, we have number 1. So we can put like this. So I will put negative number 8 go to the left. And this one, we have 33/4. Now we can do similar for the second one. So I will put number 2 go in here, and we put negative number 8 go to the left. And this one, we have 17 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.